Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The rights of people are essential in Islam, enhancing individual lives and fostering societal harmony. The Quran and Hadith emphasize these rights. Justice and fairness are the foundations of these rights. The Quran states, "Indeed, Allah commands justice, doing good, and giving to relatives, and forbids immorality, bad conduct, and oppression." This highlights that justice and kindness are core Islamic principles. Islam emphasizes the rights of parents. The Quran says, "And we have enjoined upon man care for his parents." The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Paradise lies under the feet of mothers." This hadith underscores the high status of mothers and the duty to treat parents kindly. Children's rights are also vital in Islamic teachings. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Each of you is a shepherd, and each of you is responsible for his flock." Parents must ensure their children's education and upbringing. Proper care and upbringing are primary parental responsibilities. Islam highlights neighbors' rights. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Jibreel kept advising me about the neighbor to the point that I thought he would inherit from me." This hadith shows the importance of treating neighbors well. Orphans and the needy have significant rights in Islam. The Quran states, "And do not approach the orphan's property except in a way that is best until he reaches maturity." Taking care of orphans is a duty for every Muslim. Islamic teachings emphasize workers' rights. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Give the worker his wages before his sweat dries." Ensuring justice for workers is fundamental in Islam. Without upholding people's rights, an ideal Islamic society cannot be established. Islam teaches us to consider others' rights and treat them justly and fairly. Upholding these rights improves our worldly life and leads us to success in the hereafter. May Allah grant us the understanding and ability to uphold these rights. Ameen.